We are Vidyaranya. First time we are organizing this program where urban crowd can come and experience rural life, rural folk dance and music, rural food, rural art and culture. We are working with children, women, senior citizens who are struggling in our community. Currently we are reaching out 200 mentally challenged children. So we want to reach out more number of children in future. So that's why we are organizing this event called Halli Habba.
Most of the kids don't even know today how people lived in the past. So this is a first-hand experience where people can really know how they lived, what they ate, what they played, and so many different activities. So it's really fantastic.
Just really enjoying walking around and seeing all the people dancing and singing and having a good time. The performances are excellent, just so beautifully done, and we're enjoying. India Cares Foundation is a support organization, so we help NGOs in their systems and in doing their processes well and in fundraising.
I am from Ima Recreation. We are a social enterprise. We are very passionate about reviving the traditional game. We are very happy with the group games which people enjoyed it. Minister playing games, mayor playing games and freedom fighter playing games and all. We are very, very happy about it.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜೀವನ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಜೀವನ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಟಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಕೋರ್ತೀನಿ.